My name is Dedo Kofi, and I am the founder and CEO of Adeco Minds, an advertising business, and Niche Expressions, which is a retail business. Now, having enrolled with the CEIBS WELA program, I had my expectations of what I wanted to get from it, and it's been a great eye-opener. The accounting models that we've done. I have had my business for like 16 years, and over the period, some of the things I was doing that I thought were right were even wrong, and it's so practical and hands-on that I can easily relate it to what I'm doing in my business. I'm really excited that I did this now. I actually wish I had done it earlier, but it's never too late. So I am very excited about what I've learned so far, and I am so ready to implement the things that I need to into my business to make sure that it's profitable and all.